France has more licenses to fish in UK waters than every other member of the European Union put together, a startling new analysis has indicated. Despite President Emmanuel Macron's comments regarding access to British waters, the total tonnage of French fishing vessels cleared to operate in UK seas massively exceeds that of all of the Royal Navy's fleet of frigates combined, Facts for EU has pointed out. Meanwhile, report author Lee Evans has accused Mr. Macron of attempting to bully Britain, while dismissing French objections as absurd. The pro-Brexit think tank used figures published by the government's Marine Management Organization last week to suggest despite the vehement objections, France did not have quite such a raw deal as has been suggested. Facts report shows, France has been given UK licenses which are more than all other continental EU countries combined. The French now have almost 4 times as many UK fishing licenses as the Dutch. They have more than 6 times as many as the Danish. More than 8 times as many as the Spanish. More than 11 times as many as the Belgians. Roughly 15 times as many as the Germans and Portuguese. Additionally, the total tonnage of French fishing ships operating in UK waters, 81,874 tons, comfortably outstrips the weight of the Royal Navy's 12 frigates, 58,800 tons. The MMO figures indicate almost 1,700 EU vessels have been granted licenses to enter British waters within 200 nautical miles, since the start of the year. Of these, 44% of the new licenses, a total of 738, were granted to French vessels.
Queen Margrethe II to bring Karen Blixen's image creating worlds to life in Netflix film.